What makes Randolph-Macon College extraordinary? Since 1830, we have strived to develop both the minds and characters of our students. We are enabled and empowered to use the opportunities around us to create a college experience that is uniquely ours. To discover what we're passionate about and use it to make the world around us better. On campus, we aren't just another face in the crowd. We're individuals, thinkers and doers. We're lifelong learners, even beyond the limits of the classroom. We're leaders, compassionate, driven, and not afraid of a new challenge. And at the end of the day, we know there's not just one type of student that makes a great Yellow Jacket. We're all unique. We all have our own journey. But what brings us together? We're all working to build something extraordinary. At Randolph-Macon, we're building extraordinary futures. Where will your future take you?
Good evening. I'm Bob Lindgren, President of Randolph-Macon College, and it is my distinct pleasure to welcome you to our virtual Open House Week. There's no place like RMC, bringing our home to your home. Like much of the world right now, my colleagues and I have worked hard reimagining how to effectively connect with one another during the COVID-19 crisis. We are currently not able to host large groups on campus, so we do look forward to engaging more personally with you over the next 3 nights. During RMC's Open House Week, you will hear about our distinctive programs, such as J-Term and the Edge Career Center. You will also learn about our application process, and more importantly, about affordability and the value of an RMC education. You can talk with professors in the academic programs in which you may have an interest, and also hear about your many opportunities to get involved outside the classroom and develop your leadership skills further. And you will be able to talk with current students about their experiences as well. Now, we understand that your college search process looks a lot different than how you might have imagined. So we have designed this intentionally interactive program for you to engage with even more members from our Yellow Jacket community. Our goal is to bring our campus to life in the comfort of your home, and we are confident you will gain a better understanding of RMC as a result. Each night this week will highlight a different focus of life at Randolph-Macon. Tonight's 3 sessions include From Ashland to Yellow Jackets, an overview of RMC to help you become more familiar with our distinctive programs. Next, you can learn valuable tips for your college application in our Finding Your Courage session. Tonight's 3rd live session focuses on the superb value of an RMC education in our financial aid presentation, Scholarships, Grants, and Loans. Oh my. Following these live sessions, we invite you to hop on our virtual tour to explore our beautiful campus, and you can also chat live with your admissions counselor. And be sure to join us for the next 2 nights as well for more in-depth information on academic and student life, the brain and heart of RMC. While the bricks on our campus aren't yellow, they do lead our students to really bright futures. We look forward to sharing with you why there's no place like RMC.